Hey there, viewers! Best plank exercise for belly fat for beginners. The plank is one of the simplest exercises that you can do. It's simple in its appearance and the amount of steps involved in doing one. Being simple, though, does not mean that doing a plank is easy. Holding a plank might be easy for a few seconds, but since the plank is an exercise position that can be held indefinitely, its difficulty can range from easy short-term planks to excruciating tests of endurance. Learn the best plank exercise for belly fat for beginners in this video. Stay tuned and keep on watching. What is a plank? A plank is a simple but effective core exercise that helps you build stability and strength throughout your entire body. The plank is achievable in a number of different methods, but the main goal of the plank exercise will have you with your body perpendicular to the ground, stomach facing down, elevating your torso off the ground with either your elbows or hands. The plank is similar to being stuck in an extended push-up pose without actually moving your body weight up or down. This may sound much nicer and more forgiving than a set of push-ups, but the plank can become a strenuous exercise very quickly. What makes the plank so special? There's a fair few reasons why the plank is so popular. Some people even consider it their favorite exercise. It's good to understand why the plank is so important before you start working on how to make a good plank, because then you'll be more likely to keep the plank as part of your daily routine. Number 1, the plank is a body weight exercise. Body weight exercises are workouts that you can do with nothing but your own body, which is appealing for a number of reasons. Number 2, you don't need to buy expensive equipment to do body weight. Number 3, you can do body weight exercises pretty much anywhere. The most equipment you'll ever need is a wall to lean on or a chair or bench for bending. Number 4, body weight exercises are great for your core, and since they rely on your own body weight, they'll be consistently tailored to your own workout needs. As you gain weight, you'll be working out with more weight, which is similar to increasing the amount you'd bench press, for example. Number 5, the plank works out a tremendous number of muscles in your body, which makes them appealing for all sorts of training, strength, endurance, you name it. Planks can even be a benefit for those wanting to do cardio training. Number 6, planks can be performed by people of pretty much any age, as long as they're still physically fit. Kids can start out doing planks, and if they continue to do so, they will be able to continue the exercise into old age. How do I do a plank? To do a high plank, also known as a front plank, the most common variety, simply arrange yourself as if you were doing a push-up. Rise to the top of this position, making sure your back is completely straight, and hold the position here. Number 1, make sure your elbows are directly under your shoulders. Number 2, line your wrists up with your elbows. Number 3, push your body upwards and keep your chin tightish to your neck. There should be a bit of space, perhaps a couple inches. A recommended time for beginners is 30 seconds, but if you can't do that, you can consider anything less to be good practice. Or switch to a forearm plank, where you rest your weight on your forearms instead of your palms, allowing you to hold the position for much longer. Number 1, make sure you keep your chest and abs taut for the duration of your plank. This allows you to understand how your core muscles work together and also ensures proper balance. Number 2, make sure you keep your thighs activated. This is another important part to maintaining balance during a plank. Number 3, your body should look like a straight line, save for natural contours, for the duration of your plank. Number 4, rest for a minute or so between planks and repeat the exercise at least 3 times. Best plank exercise for belly fat for beginners. The plank exercise is simple. To do a plank each week, increase the time and alternate it with other exercises. If it's too hard at the beginning, make sure you get some rest and don't overload your body. Remember, each day doing exercises step by step makes progress. Number 1, week 1. Start your first days with a forearm plank. Place your forearms on the yoga mat and align the elbows below the shoulders. Your arms should be parallel to the body at about shoulder width distance. You might clasp your hands together for more comfort. Correct your neck and spine by looking at one spot on the floor somewhere about 30 centimeters before your hands. Pay attention so that your head is in line with your back. Hold the position for 20 seconds. As you get more comfortable with the forearm plank, it's time to alternate it with a single leg plank. By lifting one leg up toward the sky, only as far as you feel comfortable, you will increase the load on your core. Alternate your legs. By the end of the first week, gradually increase your plank time up to 30 seconds. Important, do not overload yourself and take a rest when needed by lowering your knees to the floor for a few seconds. Before we continue, a like would be great. Number 2, week 2. Start your second week with the standard plank. Put your hands directly under your shoulders, ground the toes into the floor, and squeeze your glutes to stabilize the body. Correct your neck and spine. Pay attention so that your head is in line with your back. Hold the position for 10 seconds. Then bend your right elbow and put it on the floor. Do the same with your left elbow. Then return to the starting position by unbending your arms one by one. This week, gradually increase your standard plank time from 60 seconds to 90 seconds. Number 3, week 3. For the last week, alternate your forearm plank with the dolphin plank. This exercise is inspired by yoga. It strengthens and tones the core, abs, and shoulders all together. Begin in a forearm plank and lift your hips up toward the ceiling in a V shape and come back to the forearm position. Repeat it 15 times. As for your forearm plank alone, start with 90 seconds and gradually increase the time to 120 seconds by the 21st day. What are the health benefits of doing planks? Here's where things get really interesting. The plank is such a versatile exercise that most people don't understand everything that they can do for our bodies, aside from knowing that they're very good for us. Fortunately, the plank targets almost every group of muscles in our body. This means that adding planks to your workout regimen will make your entire body stronger. There's more than that though. Planks don't just improve muscle mass, they improve the strength of our skeletal system. They improve our ability to focus and concentrate and even help us breathe properly. Let's look a little more in-depth at some of the wild health benefits you will see if you start doing planks on the regular. Number 1, improves your posture. Planks are able to improve your posture, which is incredibly important for a number of things. Since planks work your core, that means they work basically the whole body, from your pelvic girdle to your shoulder girdle as well as your legs. The plank strengthens your spine, your rhomboids and trapezius, and your abdominal muscles, which naturally result in a strong posture as they grow in strength. Developing your posture can improve on a number of ailments and prevent the onset of other ones. Number 2, improves your metabolism. Planking burns more calories when done every day than other core exercises like sit-ups. More importantly, planks help strengthen massive muscle groups in your body. Having strong muscles means you burn more calories even when you're at rest. This makes planks crucial for people who work in offices or other jobs that aren't very active. If you have good, strong muscles on your body, you will be able to burn calories more effectively and be less at risk for gaining extra weight. On top of that, having strong muscles means you burn even more calories when you're exercising, even if this exercise is simply walking to work or school in the mornings. It also means that you'll burn more calories in your sleep. Ready to lose that belly fat? Share us your thoughts by leaving us a comment below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.